So, babe, where are we?
Hey, baby, we're in Iceland.
Where in specific are we in Iceland?
We're at the Hengifoss waterfall.
And is that the only name that either one of us have been able to pronounce fairly easily?
Vinbuten.
Oh, Vinbuten. Yeah. Well, we figured that one out pretty fast.
Alcohol store. And Hengifoss, about the only word I can say, waterfall. Second or third highest in Iceland? There's some debate.
I love these basalt columns. They're just fascinating. I think I need this in my world. I love the color. I love the paint job. And it's even for sale. I wonder if I can talk Melinda to let me ship this back. Because this would be way cool to have. Iceland for this.
Oh gosh, this is awesome.
Isn't this awesome? I'm gonna bounce with you. This is gonna be a terrible video, but
we don't have these.
More video of this beautiful little harbor town. It is where the ferry comes in from Norway. So a lot of Norwegians and I guess Scandinavians come this way to visit Iceland. Having some well-deserved local Icelandic beer, very expensive Icelandic beer. And then we bought this artisanal, handmade Icelandic chocolate, also very expensive. And then we're going to have dinner here at the very nice El Grillo bar, which is, not surprisingly, kind of expensive. But it's Iceland, baby. So that's the way it goes.
That's the way it goes.
Not our favorite campground, but the water was hot. And not bad, it was just not super level. A lot of torn up areas, but it's also a lot of rain here, so tough to maintain these nice and pristine. But this one's just a little bit more rough than some of the others, but not a bad place. Basalt Canyon. Cleared up a tiny bit more. See a little bit, not a lot. Big waterfall though.
VITI.
This This is the Viti volcano with a hot lake in it. And it's a little cloudy, but we are grateful that we got to see it because it's been really cloudy. I'm watching. You watch your step when you get on the boat. Godafoss waterfalls. Go ahead. I want you to start talking on this.
Big waterfalls have a warm-up act.
Ah, yeah, they do.
And so you're filming this. Just
But
seeing the big guy in the background. So here we have a lathe. Looks like a semi-conventional modern lathe, but it's pedal powered, which I guess would actually give you some fine control, but and then The carpenters.
all the tools and these thick turf walls are actually, I think they're pretty warm, considering if you had a little fire going or just doing some work in here, you'd be cozy enough. Here we have a kitchen, the only heated room in this building or collection of buildings. Did cooking, washing, smoking of meats. Long pantry. Another pantry. Outside, backside of the turf houses. This is way more interesting.